भुरग्यानो, सजमता तुमी हो पाठ बरो करून वाचलो आसतलो. आतां हांव हेजें एक्सप्लेनेशन ह्या लेसनाचें तुमकां दितां. पाठाचें नांव सात्य. सात्य म्हटल्यार कन्सिस्टन्सी वा कंटिन्युइटी. म्हटल्यार एक वस्त जी आमी शिकली ती आमी परत परत करीत रावूंक जाय. ताची उजळणी करीत रावूंक जाय, नाजाल्यार आमी ती विसरतलीं. जितेश रावता त्या वाड्यार एक देवूळ आशिल्लें. तर ह्या पाठांत एकटो चलो आसा, ताचें नांव जितेश. जितेश रावता त्या वाड्यार एक देवूळ आशिल्लें. वाडो म्हटल्यार कितें? विलेज. देवूळ म्हटल्यार टेम्पल. सो जितेश लिव्ड नियर अ टेम्पल. Where Jitesh was staying, in that village there was a temple. Every Sunday night there would be devotional singing, means bhajan, in the temple. दर आयतारा राती थंय भजन जातालें. आयतारा म्हटल्यार संडे. भजन म्हटल्यार देवळान पळय जे गायतात ताका भजन म्हणटात. दुसऱ्या उतरांनी डिवोशनल सिंगींग. भुरगेपणांत सावन जितेश आवय बापय वांगडा देवळान वतालो. तर तो आपल्या आवय आनी बापाय वांगडा सदांच आयतारचो देवळान वतालो. थंय बसून भजन आयकतालो. थंय म्हटल्यार देवळान. देवळान बसून तो आवय बापाय वांगडा भजन आयकतालो. ताचें चड लक्ष तबल्या कडेन आसतालें. ताचें लक्ष म्हटल्यार तो चड फोकस करतालो तबल्या कडेन, नाजाल्यार तो चड आयकतालो अशेंय म्हणूंक शकता. ऑर अटेन्शनय म्हणूंक शकता तुमी. तबलजी वाजयता तें आयकून, तबलजी कोण? तबले वाजयता ताका तबलजी म्हणटात. तें आयकून ताका खोशी जाताली. खोशी म्हटल्यार ही यूज टू गेट हॅप्पी, ओ ही वूड गेट हॅप्पी. ऑर जॉय. आपणेय तबलें वाजोवचें अशें ताका दिसतालें. तर तबलजी वाजयता तें पळोवन ताकाय अशें दिसतालें की आपणेनय बसून तबलें वाजोवचें अशें. ताका खूब उमेद आनी खोशी आसली तबलें वाजोवपाक. मागीर तो घरांत येवन दारार वाजय, डब्बो बडय, टेबल बडय अशें करून आपली उमेद भागयतालो. तर ताचे कडेन तबलें नासलें, तर तो घरा येवन हें सगळें बडयतालो. सो लेटर वेन ही वॉज बॅक होम, ही वूड टॅप ऑन द डोर्स. दारार वाजयतालो, टॅप करतालो ऑन द डोर. डब्बो बडयतालो म्हटल्यार ही वूड बीट ऑन द बॉक्सीस. बडी घेवन बडयतालो, कसोय बडयतालो. देन स्ट्रायक द टेबल. टेबल बडयतालो. fulfilling his enthusiasm in this way. So this is how he would fulfill his enthusiasm of playing the tabla, by tapping, beating or striking these things. Next paragraph पळोवया. मे म्हयन्याची सुटी संपली. शाळा सुरू जाली. मे म्हयनो संपलो की शाळा सुरू जाता जून म्हयन्यान. शाळेंतल्यान चलत घरा येतना, so after the summer vacation ended, schools reopened. One day while walking home from school, एक दीस ताका वाटेर एका घरांतल्यान तबल्याचो आवाज आयकूंक आयलो. एक दीस म्हटल्यार one day. One day while walking from school or walking home from school, he heard the sound of a tabla being played in a house along the way. वाटेर ताका कोण तरी तबलें वाजयता असो आवाज आयकूंक आयलो. चवकशी केल्या उपरांत थंय तबला वर्ग. तबला वर्ग म्हटल्यार कितें? तबला वर्ग म्हटल्यार तबला शिकयता पळय तें क्लास, ऑर तबला क्लास. सो ही रियलायज दॅट तबला क्लास वॉज बीइंग कंडक्टेड देर. ताका खूब खोशी जाली. खोशी मिन्स हॅप्पी. ही वॉज वेरी हॅप्पी, कित्याक ताका सदांच तबलें वाजोवपाची खोशी आसली. उपरांत ताणें आवय बापायक आपली तबलें शिकचेली इत्सा सांगली. शिकचेली म्हटल्यार टू लर्न, इत्सा म्हटल्यार विश. He went home and told his mother and father about what he had seen and his wish to learn to play tabla. ताणी मानून घेतले. मानून means accepted. जितेशाक तबल्याच्या वर्गाक घालो. आपलो अभ्यास करून जितेश तबल्याच्या वर्गाक वतालो. So his parents accepted his wish of learning tabla. उपरांत जितेशाक तबल्याच्या वर्गाक घालो. So they enrolled Jitesh in the tabla class. आपलो अभ्यास म्हटल्यार आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हीज स्टडीज करून जितेश तबल्याच्या वर्गाक वतालो. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हीज स्टडीज ही वूड गो फॉर द तबला क्लास. थंय खोशेन उमेदीन शिकतालो. थंय मिन्स देर फॉर द तबला क्लास. खोशेन म्हटल्यार जॉय, उमेदीन शिकतालो म्हटल्यार विथ एन्थुजियाजम ही वूड लर्न. 6 म्हयन्या भितर तो तबलें बरें वाजोवंक लागलो. 6 म्हयने म्हटल्यार विदीन 6 months. वाजोवंक म्हटल्यार टू प्ले. तो इतको बरो आसलो की सो जितेश स्टार्टेड स्टडींग हार्ड एंड लर्निंग इन द तबला क्लास with great joy and enthusiasm. Within 6 months, he learned to play the tabla quite well. Next paragraph. एक दीस तबला मास्तरान ताच्या बाबाक आपयलो. So one day, tabla master means the tabla teacher called Jitesh father. तो येतकीर मास्तरान जितेशाक तबलें वाजोवंक सांगलें. As soon as his father arrived, the teacher asked Jitesh to play the tabla. Jitesh बरो वाजयता तें पळोवन बापूय खोशी जालो. So Jitesh played very well and his father was very happy. मास्तरान सांगलें, आतां तुमी ताका तबलें आनी डग्गो असो तबल्या जोड हाडून दिल्यार बरो. So now you should get him a set of tablas, whether it is a daggas, that is a bass drum, or a pair of tablas and give it to him. तुमचो भुरगो सामान्य भुरग्या सारको ना, तो कुशळ आसा. So the teacher said, he is very talented. He is not an ordinary kid. So you should buy a set of tablas or bass drum for him. हय, म्हाकाय तशेंच दिसता. So Jitesh's father also said to the teacher, yes, it looks exactly like that. की ताकाय तशेंच दिसता की तो बरो वाजयता. हांव ताका रोखडोच तबल्या जोड हाडून दितां, जितेशाच्या बाबान सांगलें. So I will definitely get him a set of tablas, Jitesh's father replied to the tabla teacher. तें आयकून जितेशाचे खोशेक शीम मेर उरली ना. आयकून means hearing. So after hearing that, Jitesh's joy knew no bounds. He was very happy. Okay, शीम मेर उरली ना means knew no bounds. It had no bounds. He was very very happy. ताच्या बापायनूय रोखडोच तबल्या जोड हाडून दिलो. His father brought him a pair of tabla. देखून अभ्यास केलो उपरांत जितेश घराय तबले वाजोवंक लागलो. So after finishing his studies, he also started practicing at home on the tabla. 1 वर्स जाता म्हटल्यार तो तबलें व्यवस्थित means properly वाजोवंक लागलो. So after a year, he began playing the tabla properly at home. जितेश 6वी पास जावन 7वेक गेल्लो. So Jitesh had passed 6th standard and he had entered the 7th standard now. आतां तो आनी ताचे इश्ट अभ्यास सोंपले उपरांत खेळटाले. Now because they had summer vacation and they had already finished their exams, he and his friends were playing after finishing their studies. ताणी जितेशाक म्हटलें, आरे अजुनूय तूं तबलें वाजोवंक वता. आतां तुका तें बरें वाजोवंक येता. तो तबला वर्क सोड आनी खेळूंक यो. So now his friend started saying that now you know to play the tabla very well. So now you stop that class, tabla class, and come join us to play. Because every day what Jitesh would do, finish his studies and then sit to practice the tabla or go for the tabla class. So he did not have time to play with his friends. So the friends were waiting for him. So now since they have holidays, the friends started saying that now you can play it well, so leave the tabla class and come play with us. जितेशाकूय खेळन दिसतालेंच. So Jitesh also wanted to play with his friends. Since he was very busy with his studies and the tabla class, he was not getting time to play with his friends. ताका दिसलें आतां आपूण तबलें बरें वाजयता. थोडे दीस तबलें वाजयलें ना जाल्यार कितें जातलें? So he thought, now I can play the tabla well. What will happen if I stop playing for a few days? So he was thinking like past so many months he was playing the tabla. So now he knows everything. He has become a pro in playing the tabla. So what will happen if he doesn't play for few days or few months? Jiteshan आवयक सांगलें. Jitesh told his mother, आई, हांव 2 म्हयने फक्त खेळटलो. तबल्याच्या वर्गाक लेगीत वचचो ना. So he told his mother that he will just play for 2 months. He won't even go for the tabla class. आवयन ताका तशें करूं नाका म्हणून सांगलें. His mother told him, don't do that. His mother warned him to. पूण जितेशान कानार केंस काडले. कानार केंस काडप म्हटल्यार आयकलें ना. But Jitesh turned a deaf ear to her. जितेशान तेजें सांगलेलें एक आयकलें ना. जितेशाची आई तबला शिक्षका कडेन गेली. So his mother went to the tabla teacher. तिणें ताका सगळें सांगलें. जितेशान कितें कितें घरा म्हटलां पळय तें 2 म्हयने आपूण तबल्याक हात लावचो ना तें सगळें वचून ताणें मास्तराक वा शिक्षकाक सांगलें. Jitesh's mother went to the tabla teacher and told him everything. मास्तरान म्हटलें. The teacher said, कांय हरकत ना. हरकत means problem. So there is no problem. तुमी हुस्को करूं नाका. हुस्को means worry. So the teacher said, you don't worry. थोड्याच दिसांनी ताका आपली चूक कळटली. Means in a few days or after few days he will realize his mistake. चूक means mistake. कळटली means he will know. तो वर्गाक येता म्हणटा तेन्ना ताका घेवन येयात. Whenever he wants to come, whenever he realizes his mistake that he cannot play, bring him back to class. Or you can bring him back to class. उपरांत जितेशान 1 म्हयनोभर तबल्याक हात लेगीत लायलो ना. So Jitesh did not touch the tabla for 1 month. It had been 1 month. Entire month he did not touch the tabla. एका आयतारा बाबान ताका म्हटलें. His father said to him, जितू, आयज तबलें वाजय रे. तूं वाजयता तें आयकतां हांव. So his father said, Jitesh, play the tabla. I want to listen or I want to hear you play. म्हाका आतां बरें वाजोवंक येता बाबा. So Jitesh said, I can play it very well now, father. अशें म्हणून जितू तबलें वाजोवंक बसलो. So Jitesh sat and he started playing the tabla. ताका तबल्याचे बोल याद जाले. बोल means rhythm. He remembered the rhythm. पूण हात आडखळूंक लागले. But his hands started to fumble. Because he was very confident that he remembers everything. But when he went to play, he only remembered the rhythms, the bowl. But he could not play the tabla. Jitu radunk laglo. He started टू क्राय. ही बिगॅन टू क्राय. बाबान ताका तसोच तबला मास्तरा कडेन व्हेलो. हिज फादर टूक हिम डायरेक्टली टू द तबला टीचर. मास्तरान सगळें आयकून घेतलें आनी म्हटलें. सो हिज फादर टूक हिम टू द तबला टीचर or the tabla master. So the teacher heard everything what his father told and said, Jitesh, कसली विद्या शिकल्या उपरांत whatever knowledge you have learned सात्यान उजळणी करूंक जाय. We need to or you have to practice. Constant practice is needed. नाजाल्यार विसरूंक जाता. Or else you will forget. If you don't practice, you will forget. तुका जर तबलें वाजोवपांत कुशळटाय मेळोवंक जाय जाल्यार सात्य राख. To keep your skill in playing the tabla sharp, you must practice continuously. Or else when you go to play after few days, you will forget everything. उजळणी कर नाजाल्यार विसरतलो. If you stop, you'll forget. If you don't practice every day, you will forget. भुरग्यांनी खेळूंक जाय पूण खेळटना बोटाक आनी हाताक मार लागचो ना हाची तूं जतनाय घे. So he said, children have to play. While playing, even the fingers and hands need to be cared. Or they will get hurt or you will get hurt. जितेशान रडत रडत मास्टराची चूक मागली. So Jitesh was very sorry for what he did. He realized his mistake and he said sorry to the teacher with tears in his eyes. आता म्हाका कळ्ळें. He said, now I understood. म्हाका येता म्हणून समजून उजळणी बंद केली जाल्यार विसरूंक जाता. हांव अशी चूक केन्नाच करचो ना. So he said, I stopped practicing because I thought that I knew everything and I was very good in playing tabla. I will never make this mistake again. मास्तरान जितेशाक अपुरबायेन म्हऱ्यान घेवन तबलें वाजोवंक बसयलो. So with great affection, the teacher took Jitesh and set him down to play the tabla again. भुरग्यांनो, सजमता तुमकां सगल्यांक हो पाठ कळ्ळो आसतलो म्हणून. ह्या पाठाचें कोंकणींतल्यान इंग्लीश ट्रान्सलेशन हांव हांगासर सगल्यो पेजी घालतां. तुमकां जेन्ना जाय तें तुमी पळोवंक शकतात.